Hey guys, have you guys ever seen a chocolate tree before? Neither did I till about 2 minutes ago. Are you trying raw coffee?
The fun thing about coffee.
Literally in the middle of the forest in Jamaica. Let's go. What's up guys? So I just finished showering and getting ready. Got my backpack on with my drone in it, got my camera, everything's ready. Gonna head upstairs right now. So I just finished breakfast. The tour guide is here, so I'm heading down and we're gonna meet and let's go. Let's go. These are what you call stinking toes. Every odd person know what these are. You eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is really good. Actually smells like cheesy foot though. That's crazy. Crazy. This is really good, guys. Cheesy foot is approved. So right now we're just walking. We're heading to a church. What's up guys? So we've been walking down from the hill all the way down closer to the river for about 20-30 minutes now, and we've been able to stop and see a lot of like natural plants, a lot of coffee beans. Actually I think I see some coffees right now. These are coffee right here, right? Look at these coffees. Coffee bean, look at that.
Ready to be harvested, you know?
Ready to be harvested.
When you pick up only when they are red. So this is then taken to the factory where they take up the outer skin.
These are coffee beans and roasted.
These are the beans. So most of them have two beans, you notice? Occasionally you find one with only one rounded bean. And that is sold as a premium bean actually. It's called a pea berry. You notice we don't get any pea berry in this. So each of them have two seeds. Then this is one washed and dried for about a month. And then pass through a next machine which take off this. There's an outer coating on this as well. Take like an eggshell, then that is taken off, and then it can be roasted.
Are you trying raw coffee?
The fun thing about coffee, when it is dry,
Yeah.
it does get a bit smaller.
Yeah, so we've been able to see like coffee, guineas, a few hummingbirds, a few other species of birds, pigeons. Went through one neighborhood. 10 out of 10 so far. Pretty cool. It's nice to see the side of Jamaica, you know, even though I was born here. You don't really see the side unless you see the side, so I'm glad it's been done. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys as we continue to, you know, go through the island. Hey guys, have you guys ever seen a chocolate tree before? Neither did I till about 2 minutes ago, so look at this. This is what you call a cocoa tree. Cocoa tree, look at that. Holy smokes. Look at these. God, that's crazy. These are cocoa trees? Like,
Yeah.
you can make like hot chocolate from it. Yeah. Anything. That is cool. Wow guys, this is amazing. Damn. I don't know if you guys can hear the river over here, the natural waters. And of course, here's some more coffee trees. As you know, we are in Blue Mountain, so there's a lot of coffee over here. Holy smokes. Oh, like a trap.
No, what they do is they beat, you know, compound it.
Yep.
And put it in the river. And the crayfish can't
move or traps it.
You can't stand there and the center.
Oh.
Come to the top of the water and they pick them up.
I know what you mean now. Pretty cool.
The river cool down here. It's running down here. It's not how it's garden so. You know?
People swim in this water?
Yeah. So like for here, we used to come like on summertime, holidays. There's a pot, get crayfish, put them right there side of the river. Or, you know.
Literally in the middle of the forest in Jamaica. Guava tree. These plants right here, these are all pineapples. If you guys could smell, it smells very sweet over here. You can almost smell the pine.
Bless up.
That guy's over there, this is what you call dragon fruit.
Those are the flower.
The flowers.
Yeah, the fruit in form. Just below.
We get accompanied by some goats.
The one might be coming in the back.
I see a lot of myself running around. Hey, what's up guys? So right now, we've been walking around for about 2 hours. Right now we're literally going by a waterfalls, and we'll wait till you guys see how beautiful this waterfall is. Are you guys ready? Look at this. Look at this waterfall. Holy smokes. Look at this waterfall. Holy smokes. What's up guys? Stop by Penfield Falls.
Penfield.
Falls.
Penfield.
10 feet?
Penfield.
Penfield Falls, and I'm actually going for a quick swim. Y'all know the vibe. Look at that, guys. I just saw black castor oil trees. And man, oh man. This has been quite an experience, man. Like, I didn't even know you can get this deep into the hills. I'm pretty deep into it right now. Holy smokes. Wow. Like, you guys see how deep the hills we are right now. Pretty damn deep, man. Really deep. So guys, so that's the end of the hike. It was amazing. The tour guide was amazing. Taxi ride was amazing. Literally nothing bad. If you ever do come to Strawberry Hill, please ask for Lindo. He's a great guy. He even followed my YouTube. You know, how much respect is that? So check him out, guys. He's a good guy, and it's a great experience. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment in comments below. Catch you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys for watching.